Welcome back to the channel. If you are dreaming of working in Norway, you are in the right place. Today I will guide you step by step on how to get a Norway work visa in 2025, especially for foreign workers. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to prepare, how to apply, and what to expect so you can start your journey with confidence. Imagine living in Norway, enjoying one of the safest countries in the world, high salaries, great healthcare, and beautiful landscapes all around you. Many people think getting a work visa is complicated, but with the right steps, it can be straightforward. Let's start from the beginning. The most common work visa for foreign workers in Norway is the residence permit for skilled workers. To qualify, you first need a valid job offer from a Norwegian employer. The position should normally be full-time, or at least 80% of full-time hours. Your employment contract should clearly mention your job title, working hours, and salary. Your salary and conditions are very important. Norway requires that foreign workers are paid the same as a Norwegian in the same role. This ensures fair treatment and prevents underpayment. Qualifications are also a key factor. Most applicants must have higher education, such as a bachelor's degree, or at least 3 years of vocational training relevant to the job. The immigration office checks carefully that your qualifications match the role you are applying for, so make sure your documents are accurate and complete. Once you have your job offer, the next step is to register your application online at the official immigration website. You will create an account, select the skilled worker permit with an employer in Norway, and pay the application fee. Sometimes your employer can submit the application on your behalf if you allow them. After submitting online, you will need to book an appointment to hand in your documents and provide biometrics. This usually takes place at a Norwegian embassy, consulate, or a visa application center, such as VFS Global, depending on your country of residence. At your appointment, make sure to bring all required documents. These usually include your passport, your signed employment contract, educational certificates, CV, and any licenses if your profession is regulated. Follow the official checklist carefully, because missing even a single document can delay your application. Once your documents are submitted, your application will be reviewed. During this period, some applicants may apply for an entry visa to enter Norway while waiting for the decision. However, the entry visa does not automatically allow you to work. In some cases, employers can request early permission to start work, but this is only allowed under strict conditions. When your application is approved, you will receive an entry visa sticker in your passport if needed. This allows you to travel to Norway. After arriving, you must go to the police to complete biometrics if not already done, and to order your residence card. This card is your proof that you can legally live and work in Norway. Another important step after arriving is registering with the Norwegian Tax Administration. You will need a tax deduction card. Otherwise, your employer will deduct 50% of your salary. At this office, you will also receive AD number, which is a temporary identification number. If you stay longer than 6 months, you must register your move with the population register to get a permanent national identity number. Here are a few tips to increase your chances of approval. Always make sure your job really matches your qualifications. Many applications are refused because the immigration office feels the position could be done without higher education. Follow the official checklist carefully to avoid missing documents. And never start working before your permit is approved or you have legal permission, as this can cause problems in the future. To summarize, the steps are simple but important. Secure a job offer. Register your application online. Book your appointment, submit your documents and biometrics. Wait for the decision. Receive your entry visa if required. Travel to Norway. Get your residence card. Register with the tax office and report your move if staying long-term. By following these steps carefully and preparing everything properly, you can successfully obtain a Norway work visa in 2025 and start your life and career in one of the most beautiful countries in the world. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more guides on working abroad. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you want me to make a detailed guide on finding jobs in Norway before applying for the visa.